What's your emergency?
I need to know my mommy. He's doing something bad to her.
Give me my money!
I need to know my mama!
I feel like I'm the only one who sees these things. The Department of Protective Services can't stop this, and we need your help.
Desperately holding on. Mama left us without warning.
I want to love like Mama did.
Adoption? How we gonna do this with all we got already going on?
And a fate unknown.
Can you imagine LaDonna or Prince on their own if nobody took them in?
Wait for the day to come.
I think they're here.
Are you sure these people want us?
No, sweetheart. I know they do.
Time to carry
The other night, my new son was terrified of the hot water.
I will carry
So it's time that we put our eyes on the children.
through the dark to light.
Religious guilt can't fix a broken child's heart.
Love can.
Please don't give up on me.
We got over 20 families that want kids.
Whole town wants kids now.
There shouldn't be a child without a home. We can turn this whole thing around.
Time to carry
And then the kids started coming with stories that just tore at your insides.
We're doing something almost nobody else would.
We're family.
It's time that we do this together, Church.
What's happening with Possum Trot has the attention of the state.
I am beautiful. I am strong.
You were a gift, and you were only ever meant to be loved.